Tampa, Florida, December 10th, 2025, just before 1:30 in the afternoon. An elderly homeowner had climbed onto the steep roof of his 3-story residence to complete an ordinary chore, blowing away fallen leaves. Without warning, his footing gave way. He slid down the pitched shingles and ended up with his legs dangling helplessly over the gutter line, suspended 3 full stories above the hard ground below. Tampa Police officers Jason Sikoski and Kaleb Girard rushed to the scene, sprinting up 3 flights of interior stairs, squeezing through an attic window, and crawling directly onto the roof. Reaching the edge, Officer Sikoski called out, "I got you, sir!" And from 3 stories in the air, legs swinging over the void, the relieved man replied, "Hey, I'm glad somebody's got me." Tampa is a sprawling coastal city in Hillsborough County, Florida, where mild winter afternoons often see residents outside tending to yard work. There was no medical emergency, no crime, and no initial crisis. Just an everyday chore that turned into a life-threatening predicament in a matter of seconds. When 911 calls flooded city dispatch, reporting a man clinging to his roof 3 stories up, every second mattered. If the elderly homeowner's grip slipped or his strength failed, the resulting 3-story fall onto the concrete driveway below would have been catastrophic. Officers Sikoski and Girard arrived within minutes, immediately locating the attic access point to reach the exterior roof slope before it was too late. Bodycam footage captured the intense rescue as both officers carefully made their way down the angled shingles toward the roof's edge. "Put your foot against that metal vent," the officers coached him, giving him a leverage point to steady himself against the roof frame. Leaning over the perimeter, the officers instructed him to reach up with both hands. "Let me get your wrist. Come here, give me your wrist, you got it." Locking onto his arms with a firm grip, Officers Sikoski and Girard hoisted the man up over the ledge and back onto the safety of the roof surface. Overwhelmed with relief and feeling guilty for the massive emergency response, the humble man apologized, saying, "I didn't mean to cause all this." Officer Sikoski immediately reassured him, "It's not your fault at all. That's what we're here for, okay?" The officers stayed right beside the homeowner on the roof until Tampa Fire Rescue arrived with ladder equipment to assist him safely to the ground. Remarkably, the man walked away completely uninjured, expressing profound gratitude for the rapid response that saved his life. The Tampa Police Department commended Officers Sikoski and Girard, highlighting how quick action, calm communication, and true community care averted a fatal fall. Our next breakdown is ready for you right now. Click the screen, and I'll see you there.